Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at Hotel Phillips. Here in downtown Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And these elevators are actually still original. I thought they'd just be modded by now, but nope, these are still original. Creepy. Renovated hotel into from what used to be an office building. Yes, I was here in 2015. This was an office building. Now it is a hotel. Of course, we're stopping at one floor down. Go down?
Yeah, go down. I'll take it. Okay.
Look at these beautiful buttons here. Still original, folks. Thought these would be modded by now. Nope. Not in this case. Actually, I wonder if Kone maintains this, because Kone actually have these brails.
Alright. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
There you go.
We're gonna get off here. I want to show them the exterior indicators. Look at this. You know what, we'll ride the other one since it's coming down here. Of course, it's stopping at 5. This is the operating name. Just this one. Oh, cool. Look at that. It's this one. Oh, we just did a cab upgrades, but look at this. Still original buttons here. I was kind of worried when they did this renovation to this building that these elevators would get modded. But there's a deception here. The hotel decided, well, let's just keep these elevators original. A phone. At least square Montgomery buttons. These are still original. Feel it one. Yeah, look at Kone did some maintenance, but this is a pretty nice hotel.
Look at that. Show that safe.
And yes, look at that cool safe. And this is a very nice historic building.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yes, it is. This is a nice building. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.